Been charged with drunk driving at the 14A4 District Court. The judge will be Judge Simpson. Judge Simpson will handle all misdemeanor drunk driving cases in the Saline area. This means super drunk cases, first offense cases, second offense cases. All third offense DUIs and other felony DUIs will be handled at the circuit court level. In this particular court, there are a number of prosecutors. The prosecutor that handles most of the cases is the Washington County Prosecutor's Office. We also have the City of Saline prosecutor, the Milan prosecutor, and a number of township prosecutors. The prosecutor will be determined by the police department involved, the facts of your case, and your criminal record. What I've done is I've put together the Ann Arbor Criminal Defense Playbook. It's a comprehensive guide to Washington County. It's available on Amazon.com. This book goes through my proactive program for all drunk driving cases in Washington County. All drunk driving cases at the 14A4 court have two different paths. That first path is the path of negotiation. How can we resolve this case in a favorable way for my client? A number of goals that my clients set are keeping a driver's license, avoiding jail, and avoiding 2 years of probation with daily alcohol testing, and a number of different consequences that are going to make the next 2 years of their lives absolutely miserable. The second path is the path of litigation. The path of litigation means preparing for trial, coming up with different defenses in order to go to trial and be found not guilty. Another method is via motions and hearings. If there's evidence that was obtained illegally, what we can do is suppress that evidence, have a judge hear our arguments, and potentially have different evidence dismissed. What this means is your case may ultimately be dismissed if there's not evidence to proceed forward. So what my clients do after we explore all of those options is they select which manner they want to go forward with. Each option has pros and cons, and it's my job as a former prosecutor to explain each option. Some clients are in different positions. Some clients say, I can't have any drunk driving conviction on my record, no matter what. No matter if I get to keep my driver's license, no matter if I get to avoid jail, no matter if I have no probation whatsoever, I just can't have a drunk driving offense. With that particular client, we have to go to trial. We look for the best possible defense and allow a jury or a judge to determine the outcome. Some clients say, you know what, after reviewing the evidence, understanding that my license could be lost, understanding that a sentence could mean jail, I'm willing to take some responsibility for my actions, and we can work something out. Now, all of my clients undergo what I call the proactive program. From day one, my clients are extremely proactive, changing the perception of who they are. All of my clients have good jobs, families, and responsibilities. But unfortunately, that does not make you unique in Washington County. What we do from day one are real actions that show the prosecutor and the judge who you really are. This may mean undergoing a substance abuse evaluation and following all recommendations. This may mean proactive community service. This may mean going to AA meetings. This could mean alcohol testing and or drug testing. We're doing a number of things to show that you're a good person in a bad situation. Even if your case is ultimately dismissed or you're found not guilty at a trial, this is a real opportunity to reevaluate your decisions with alcohol. A police officer and a prosecutor both reviewed the facts of your case and decided to charge you with this crime. Now, if we can win this case on a defense or a technicality, that's great for you, but we need going forward to make sure that your next choice is a positive choice. You never put yourself in a situation again. This happened for a reason. We're going to learn that reason, and going forward we're going to make better choices in order to avoid this similar situation. I'm very selective in the clients that I take on. I'm looking for motivated clients looking to change their case from day one. Clients who are willing to sprint in the short term in order to avoid the long-term marathon. That marathon could be a criminal record. That marathon could be loss of driver's license. It could mean going to jail. So if you're willing to sprint and work hard in the present to avoid future consequences, I look forward to helping you.